Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful cake stand to show off your next delicious work of art? Then look no further than this beautiful cake stand and serving platter from OPPA. My favorite thing about this cake stand is that it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the acacia wood base. It's lightweight and easy to clean. I also love that the lid is made from a durable plastic that can be thrown right into the dishwasher. I have peace of mind knowing that in my crazy house with kids and pets, this beautiful cake stand is not going to break. If you're more of a charcuterie board person rather than a baker, then simply turn this stand upside down and you have a beautiful charcuterie board. I love that the lid fits snugly whether you're using it as a cake stand or a serving platter. I've used this stand in several different scenarios. I've used it to keep my cookies and baked goods fresh, but I use it more often for veggies and dip or chips and salsa. So if you're in the market for a beautiful cake stand that will add a little elegance to your next gathering, or if you're just looking for the perfect gift for your friend or loved one, then you cannot go wrong with this beautiful cake stand and serving stand from OPPA. And that's my point of view.